Hi guys, so today we will discuss the dominant epistasis that we've already done to some extent in summer squash. So if you remember, I had explained the phenotypic and the genotypic conditions. Let's quickly revise it. So three possible phenotypes: green, yellow and white, right? Out of them, green and yellow follow normal Mendelian inheritance. So if capital Y, even one copy is present, it's green. If one small is present, both of them are homozygously recessive, then it's green, correct? Now, how does white play a role in this? For white to happen, it has to be always a capital W, one copy of capital W, the epistatic gene has to be present, right? Irrespective of what is going on in the first section of Y. So any of these could be whites, and otherwise if W is small, then it's either yellow or green, correct? So now as we know that whenever we do genetic experiments, we always start with parents who are homozygous or true breeding parents, right? So true breeding parents mean homozygous parents. So here in this case we take a white homozygous parent and we take a completely recessive green homozygous parent and we make the perfect heterozygous F1 generation, which is obviously because there is one capital W present, this is also white. And by normal law of genetics, we will self this. So the gametes produced would be capital Y, capital W, capital Y, small y, capital W, and small y, small w. Both sides would be similar because these are siblings. We have selfed them, correct? Siblings or the same flower that we have taken the pollen and the pollen from and transferred it to the stigma, correct? When we do this, when we make the dihybrid Punnett square, we see that for all of these, because there is one capital W present, for all of these, irrespective of what is going on in the first half, the Y contributing gene, these would all be phenotypically white. So phenotypically, you will get a white of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, correct? Here, because the W's are small and you have at least one capital Y, these would then obviously be yellow. So you would get 3 yellows, and the only true homozygous recessive is this one, which is the green. So the ratio here will vary from Mendel and will change into a 12:3:1. Correct? So I hope the phenotypes and the genotypes were clear. Please practice them at home. Thank you.